Hello everyone and welcome back to the Posworx training. Today I will be discussing the creation of purchase orders and the conversion of a purchase order into an order. A purchase order is sent to a supplier whereby a supplier confirms stock availability. A purchase order is then converted into a formal order. I'm now going to show you how to create a purchase order. On your home screen, click Product Control, Orders, New Order, and in this New Order screen, tick Purchase Order, select a supplier you would like to create this purchase order for, enter in a reference, scan in your code or type in a code or description. Select the item, right-click, add to product list, select the item, and enter in the quantities you would like from this supplier. Select the block, right-click, allocate to all stores, or you may custom, and I'm going to select just the test store to send these items to. Click OK and click Save on the bottom. A message appears. Are you sure you want to save this purchase order? Yes. Notice my purchase order on top here that I've just created. And that is how you would create a purchase order on Posworx. Select the purchase order. You can either cancel this purchase order or print this purchase order. Double click, and I'm now going to show you how to convert this purchase order into an order. I'm going to select Order, select the next tab, Products. I'm going to select Product, and I'm now going to edit the quantities. Based on what my supplier has available for me on the invoice, I will adjust the quantities accordingly. Select the first item and edit the quantity on the right side. Do so with all your items here. Tick Send Order and tick Send again. A message appears. Are you sure this order is complete? Yes. And notice my purchase order has now changed status to waiting for delivery. And that is how you would convert a purchase order into an order. And that's the end of our training. Please like and subscribe to our channel.